Hi there and welcome back to our channel. My name is Anas and I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment as well as messages on my Instagram, and if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video I will show you how to do market research for a product. And what I mean by that is actually step-by-step tutorial on how to do the market research for a product or service. And I will do this in the video just like I'm starting a new product or a service, and I will do the market research for it. I will pick a random niche or a random product and I will go for it to do the market research for it. And in this video you will learn how to do market research in 5 steps. The first one is finding the best demographics for your product. The second one is the best target audience for it. And the third one is spying on competitors that's actually promoting or using the product. And the fourth one is how many advertisers are promoting this specific product. And the last one is finding out the best target interest and age for the product. And in this case I will do that in TikTok ads for this demonstration. And as I said, this is step-by-step tutorial. So the first step is finding a niche or a product, because this is just for demonstration. I'm not actually doing any product lately, so I'm going to pick a random product right now. I'm talking and thinking, what should I go for? Then I will go for it and start doing each step from those that I told you right now. And the first one is, as I said, the best demographic for my product. And I think I should go for something has to do with pets. So let's just go for pets, for example. Let's just say I want to start an e-commerce store for pet toys. And the first step I do is always finding out the best demographics. So when I want to launch my store or my products to start selling, I need to target the right demographic for it. And the first thing I'm going to access is Google search engine, because you can find any information you want on Google search engine as long as you know how to use it. So right now I need to find the best demographics for dog toys or pet toys. So let's just start by doing research on Google search engine for just the dog owners by demographics, or for demographics by countries. So we can know which the best country that we should go for in this product. And let's just access the first website here, World Population View, the pet ownership statistics by 2023. So this should be accurate because we are obviously in 2023. What is this? Blah, 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 blah. Without a doubt, United States is the top country in the world for both dogs and cats. There are approximately 70 million domestic dogs and 74 million domestic cats in United States. This is some new information for me right now. There is more domestic dogs or domestic cats in United States than people in my country. So that's funny. So right now we know what's the best country to sell pet toys or dog toys for, which is United States. And we didn't finish yet because we need to hit the jackpot or the exact location. So I'm going to do another research so we can find out exact state, because United States has more than 50 states. So I need to find the state where most people have pets. And let's just get back to close this and get back to Google search engine, and let's just remove just for and remove by country, type in United States, in the US, just in the US. And here it is. We don't have to access any website. So this has the top dog chips, so I think might be accurate. In your case, this is just for demonstration. Make sure to dig deeper for the right information, because I'm gonna do that obviously if I'm starting a product for pet toys. However, this is just for demonstration, and if I did that I will make the video very long and you will be bored and you will click off the video, and I don't want that to happen. So the first state here is Oklahoma, and the second is Kentucky, and so on. And there is several rows here. Let's just open them here and check them out. Yeah, here they are. So those were not the first one actually. So that's good when you did access the website. Those were the last ones. So the first one is Wyoming. Yeah, Wyoming. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry. So West Virginia, Idaho, Vermont. So this is the first states that have the most pets. So people have a lot of pets. 72% 0.72%. Sorry. So this is the most states that have the higher percentage of pet owners. So this is the states where should I promote my product, which is pet toys. And right now we have the correct information about the demographics of my potential customers. And right now we need to find out the age of those people that own pets, because when we start promoting the product in the advertisement phrase, we're gonna waste a lot of money if we don't target the right audience. And the right audience will have to do with age and interest and so on. And I will show you how to find the interest, as I said, in this video. But for now, let's just try to figure out the age of the people that are owning pets. Let's just get back to Google search engine. So let's just remove this and simply search for average age of pet owners. There it is. Google already knows what we want. So this is where we should find the age of my potential customers. And I was trying to access the first website, but I did notice here it says the latest study we found, which was from 2005. So that's almost 10 years ago. That might not be accurate. In here, 2022, it says dog ownership varies by age, with those in 35 to 44, the most likely to own at least one dog. So we know right now that the age range of people that may own pets is between 35 and 44 years old. So we got the country where most pet owners are located in. Then we got the city or the state, where the most pet owners or dog owners are in. And right now we have the age, which is 35 to 44. And right now the third phrase, which is spying on competitors. And I will do that by accessing Facebook ad library. So Facebook ad library is basically an ad library for advertisements. And I will access it and do a research for pet toys in my case. By the way, they just changed the country to United States. And for the ad category, just select all ads. And in here, I'm going to search for pet toys. So let's just type in pet toys and hit enter. And let's just wait for it, and it will show us all the advertisements that has to do with pet toys. And the bonus tip to only get the winning ones or the winning advertisements in here, head over to the filters here tab, click on it and click only the active ads and click a date between the last month of your current date that you are watching the video in. For example, right now it's February. Let's just 2003. Let's get back to 5 January and to 20 January. So basically with these filters, we did tell Facebook ad library to only showing us the active ads and that started running in between 5 January and 20 January and still running to this day. So let's just hit apply filters, and here we go. As you can see, we got 220 results, and they are all advertisements that had to do with pet toys that are active and started running more than a month ago. And here it is, I saw one here. So basically this one actually started in 6 December 2022. So it's almost 3 months now, or more than 3 months actually. So more than 3 months, and they have 2 ads that use the same creative. So this is actually telling us that this person that's selling this exact product is actually successful for him. That's why he did multiply the ad set 2 times. And if you are wondering why is that, because he wants to target different region or different interests. That's the scaling phrase. So let's just get back and scroll down to see another one, because we need, as I said, to find ads that have started running long ago. Not that long ago, just 3 months, so 2 months, and they have multiple ad set with the same creative and ads. We already found one here, as you can see. And here it is again, as you can see, this is another one for the same. We found the first one on top. This is another one in here. So actually it's 4. So we did find 2 other ads with the same creative and text, the exact text actually in the exact video. So this product is working well for the advertiser, and we can check out the video and the link for the store. However, I'm not gonna do that. We're gonna jump to the next phrase, which is how many advertisers are promoting the products, so we can know if the competition is high or not. And to do that, we're gonna head over to TikTok Creative Center. Just search for TikTok Creative Center or scroll down the description. You will see the link for it below. And we're going to access top products right here. at the top of the page. So simply click on it, and already by default it's selected for United States. And just do not select any category or anything like that. We're gonna use the search query here. So let's just type in pet toys right here, and let's just hit enter. And here it is showing us two, which is cat toys here and dog toys. However, we're going to go for the highest number because the highest number have the accurate data. And here for cat toys, as you can see, it says here popularity, which means how many advertisers that are promoting the product on TikTok platform. And in here it says 125. So 125 advertisers are promoting cat toys on TikTok, and the popularity change is up 49%. And this is actually doesn't mean it's good. It just means that more people are advertising it. It doesn't mean that it's good. You should advertise it as well. And in here it says CVR, which stands for conversion rate. It's actually 42%. So it's really high. That's why the CPE is really low. It's just the CPE, by the way, stands for cost per action. So the CPE for it is just almost $5. And this one is $26. So that's why the conversion rate is so high, because the CPE, or vice versa, sorry, it's the opposite. So that's why the CPE is very low, because the conversion rate is really high. And the last step in this video is figure out the age, the exact age from the advertisements information and the interest that we should target if we start selling pet toys. So right now, if I start selling pet toys, I have the right information, which is the demographics of where should I target or where my potential customers are, and the exact age from the Google search we did use. And we have an idea about competitors from here, from Facebook ad library. And right now, when I start running the ads, I need to target the right interest. And to do that, simply hit over, click on details here for the cat toys. And my example in this video is obviously pet toys. In your case, it should be another keyword. So just click on details and it will open up a new tab here. And this is really cool, by the way. As you can see, it did show you this graph with the information. You can play around with the graph to show you the information however you like. And if we scroll down, it will show you all the related videos that had to do with cat toys. As you can see, this is all videos that has to do with cat toys from advertisers that's promoting the exact product that I'm going for in this case. But the most important, as I said, is the interest and the age where people are engaging with these ads and buying the products. And that's the golden question, because when I start promoting the product, I will hit the jackpot and make sales right away. So let's just scroll up, and you see this option right here, it says audience insight. Simply click on it, and here is the related interest for people that are interested in this exact product, which is in my case cat toys. And in here, as you can see, all the interests that are related to people that's interested in cat toys. And there is the age range for people that are buying the product. So it's actually the opposite of the data we saw on Google search engine. That's because it's from TikTok advertisements. And TikTok is mostly used by teenagers, right? So that's why it's giving us the opposite information of the Google search, because there is not that many old people on TikTok as far as I know. So as you can see, we did figure out the exact demographics for people for my interest and the best target audience for it, as well as we did spy on my competitor in this case, as you can see. And we did saw also how many advertisers are promoting the product, which is 125 advertisers just on TikTok platform. And in here we did figure out the interests and also the date on TikTok advertisements. And as I said, if you guys have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in the comment, or check out my Instagram right here below me. As I said, I don't reply to each comment as well as messages on my Instagram. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching and catch you on the next one.